Okay guys, it is raining, but welcome to the episode. We are going to be going out to Knik Glacier today, and it was relatively nice-ish. It wasn't raining as hard, and then we aired down and everything else. Well, I have aired down and everything, and I'm driving over to the parking lot right now, and it started coming down pretty good. So today should be a pretty fun day. Lots of water, lots of mud, hopefully, and we'll be able to have a good old time. So let's go meet these guys. The only person that I know out of this group is Rob. He was in the last video going up Fishhook. So this is gonna be shakedown number 2 with Mr. Shonda. Let's get after it. Looks like we got some folks. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get it today. Yo, what up? It is raining today. What's up, man? I'm Brady.
Buck.
Buck?
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Haley.
Haley, good to meet you.
Marco. What's up, man?
What's up, man? There's Rob. Yeah. Let's go. Heck yeah. All right, so I think the crew that we're waiting on is all here now. After they air down, we'll be outie. Hey man, I thought you were supposed to be on time to stuff. What's up, man?
Not much.
You ready to not get stuck today?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. This is gonna be so much fun.
Well, I'm actually ready to get stuck. I got all my toe straps out, ready for easy access. So
I like it. I like it.
Came prepared.
Hey, that just means that you're using it. That was one thing. I actually talked to a couple buddies, and they were like, "Man, I'm so glad he uses that Jeep." It was so awesome.
Actually, what took me a little bit longer to get here, my engine was making some noise. It sounded like there may have been some mud in the alternator or in the pulley belts. So I just stuck a little my pressure washer down there and blasted it out. Sounds a lot better.
Good. That's awesome, man. You what?
I'm the air down filter.
Groovy, man. And then we'll get after this thing. Like that.
Hey, can you hear me? Yeah, I got you.
Water's probably come up a foot since yesterday, so we'll see how the rest of the trail looks. Looks like it's clearing up though, so I think we'll be all right. But water's definitely coming up.
Did they say why they left last night? Nope, got no notification.
It's a mini. It's a mini.
There's nothing mini about that thing.
That's what she said.
It's a big tree that's down.
All right, let's clear some trees out of the way. That's a big one that fell down right there. We're good now. So if you continued down that trail, it would dump you out right into the main trail at Friday Creek-ish area. But there's a lot more tight areas down that. Downside to a really big lifted truck.
I love the spot on that tree back there that was worn. People's mirrors hitting it.
All right, we've made it halfway. We're halfway there. Getting some shots, some 6 shots. Renegade is performing well, or I should say, Mr. Shonda is performing well. So we're just gonna get some shots, take a break, and take a bathroom break, and then we'll be outie. It's looking good though. It's looking good. Looks like there's gonna be some more rain coming, so it should be fun. Let's go! spot that the trail's getting eaten away that I don't know if I'm gonna fit width-wise. I think you guys would be fine, but I don't know if I'm gonna fit, so I'm gonna try going this way. But who knows? I might get stuck. I don't know.
So you want us to follow you or what?
I would wait just a second.
I'm going to position myself right over here in case I need to do some punching.
Just got out of Wolf Point. Now we're on the final stretch
Agreed.
to the glacier. Talking about tires for winter wheeling. So we're moments away from the glacier. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. Moments away, and my steering is making some weird noises. Hear that? Yeah. So I think one of the U-joints is rubbing against the metal on the firewall, which I'm not real concerned about it rubbing, but I'm concerned about why it's rubbing. So, we're going to have to figure that out when we get to the glacier in just a moment. Alright, we made it! Look at that! We made it, we made it. Minor steering issues.